Out to the South Bay, where nonprofits, healthcare providers, and elected officials are rallying in San Jose. Crowd Pharmaceutical shares the protest that they're holding against $880 billion in proposed federal cuts to Medicaid.
Healthcare is a human right! Healthcare is a human right!
A right some feel is potentially being stripped away from tens of millions of Americans across the states and hundreds of thousands in Santa Clara County.
Medicaid cannot be touched. Medicaid must be supported, preserved at all costs.
Outside the county building in San Jose Thursday, community groups and nonprofits providing medical services to senior citizens and sick children rallying to save Medicaid, pushing back against $880 billion in proposed cuts to the joint federal-state program, cuts that have passed through the House of Representatives, which organizers say will hurt the most vulnerable populations.
Roughly 2/3 of the nursing home beds in the state of California are occupied by frail seniors whose health care is being paid for by Medicaid.
Santa Clara County Supervisor Betty Young says 1 in every 4 county residents relies on Medicaid for their health care, and Coastal Kids Home Health Care says 65% of the children treated by the nonprofit pay through Medicaid.
This will definitely hurt families.
They're going to cut the federal share of Medicaid funding and dump an $880 billion problem on the states.
Representative Zoe Lofgren says nearly 325,000 people in her South Bay congressional district could lose their health care if the cuts pass through Congress and President Donald Trump approves the budget. In San Jose, Philippe Jagal, KRON 4 News.
Students at San Francisco State University are calling on lawmakers to reinvest in the school after recent budget cuts tore through the athletics department. Today's demonstration as part of a national day of action meant to defend funding for higher education. San Francisco State joins colleges across the country in rallying against budget cuts that would lead to class reductions and faculty layoffs. The university is already moving forward with cuts to 3 sports programs starting in July. That would be women's indoor track and field, baseball, and men's soccer.
The students, I mean, there's 2 things. First of all, they've been suffering a lot. It's very hard for them to get their classes. They've lost a lot of their beloved faculty already. But today is a really exciting day. So this is like an education. It's a political education and how they can, join together in a collectivity and actually make a difference and save the CSU.
The group is now holding a rally at Civic Center Plaza near City Hall. Today marks 100 days in office for San Francisco Mayor Daniel Lurie. He promised sweeping change